Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a bootable Windows 11 USB so you can repair from BIOS. Plug an 8+ GB drive into a healthy PC and run the media creation tool. Choose USB. Once done, confirm the drive boots by listing it in File Explorer and noting FAT32 versus NTFS for UEFI compatibility. Make sure you have backed up or copied essential files. Repairs can preserve data, but having a backup eliminates risk and speeds recovery if you must reinstall. You now boot the PC from the USB by entering BIOS or the boot menu during post. Press the manufacturer key, F2, F10, delete or ESC, then locate boot order. Move the USB to first boot or use the one-time boot menu to avoid permanent changes. If the system uses Secure Boot, select UEFI and keep Secure Boot enabled. Only disable Secure Boot if the installer refuses to run. These steps ensure the installer environment loads so you can run repair tools. You reach the installer, select Repair Your Computer, and pick Advanced Options to run Startup Repair. This fixes boot issues automatically. If Startup Repair misses something, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore the component store. Once done, reboot and confirm Windows loads. If problems continue, perform an in-place upgrade or reinstall while choosing to keep files. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.